Here's a quick video on how to remove and replace ABS module on the 2011 Sierra or Silverado, same thing. One thing to know is you pretty much can empty out your whole reservoir, so be notional of that in case you're parked somewhere where you can't leave overnight if you don't finish it. And the pump lives right underneath the driver. She is right here. There it is. Gotta get all those lines first. That way you're not finding this thing in the floor or bend those lines. So I'll take all the lines off and then take the bolt off for the bracket, which here's a better look at the bolts. 1, 2, 3, and they're 13 millimeter sockets. So I'm gonna get a small extension through there and then zap them out. Zap through is removed, so I guess if you loosen those 3 bolts, they'll slide back and out. Because those slots right there. The trick to put it back on, you put the rubber mounts on the pump, because this is gonna go right there. Then you just line it all up. And just in the hole you pushed out. There it is. Put these on. Nuts in the hole. So what I recommend is putting this line in first, the one near the frame, that one, because if not, you won't be able to pull it back and it'll hit on that line. So put that one line first. Start it by hand. It's very critical you start all this by hand, otherwise you're gonna cross thread them and you're screwed. That one, this one, and the pump is loose still. I haven't tying it because you want as much play as you can to get these fittings in. And then you start all these by hand. Once they go all by hand, then I would tie in the bolts down, and then these should be pretty much, if you don't mess with them too much, they should go right in.